Leadership is a scarce and a valuable resource. It is actually not a rank, a position, or a title, but it is a decision and a choice. As Brian Tracy has rightly said, become a leader that people would voluntarily follow, and not just because of your title or your position. So, what are the top 3 qualities of a very good leader? The first quality, which I would like to say, is take accountability of your actions. If you are ready to take credit of all the right things that you have done, you also need to take responsibility of any wrong decision that you must have made. It is actually striking a right balanced equation between both of them. The second good quality of a very good leader, good at helping others. What I mean by that? You need to ask for help when you actually require it, as well as you need to offer your help if people want it. That way, you will increase your value in other people's eyes. They know that you are asking for help and they are ready to offer it. The third very important quality. People will say that yes, a leader needs to have a very good listening skills. But you know what? More than that, a very important quality of a very good leader is reserve your opinion to the last. Be the last one to speak. Why? It has 2 main advantages. The first advantage, everybody will give their opinion and everybody will feel valued. The second advantage, you will have everybody's opinion and you can give a last opinion by pondering upon the thoughts, the opinions given by everybody. Imagine for a moment that you are a leader. You enter into a boardroom and you have a team in front of you. You go towards the whiteboard and you start addressing your team. Team, this is the issue, this is the problem, and this is my opinion. This is what I think. What is your opinion? You know what? The game is over. You should always reserve your opinion to the last. What will happen? You will get a collective opinions of everybody. So ask questions that why my teammate, that particular teammate, where is that opinion of his coming from? Where? And why is that opinion coming from? It's not always the what, it's the why and the where that opinion from that particular teammate coming. So you can have a collective opinion of all of them, which will be much more valuable to the team. So these were the 3 main qualities of a very good leader. The first one, take accountability of your actions. The second one, be good at helping others. And the third, reserve your opinion to the last. And the last one, to speak. These were the very good qualities. And yes, as Jack Welch has rightly said, before you become a leader, you are always bothered about growing yourself. But when you become a leader, you are bothered about growing others. So to end this video with a thought to ponder upon, a good illustration, a difference between a boss and a leader. So a boss would address to its team, go, whereas a leader will say, let's go. Let me know your opinion on this video. I would be happy to listen to all of them. Meet you all in my next video. Until then, keep smiling and keep shining. Take care.